I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off mail categories on your Apple iPhone or iPad. And to be clear, this requires that you're using a device that's running at least either iOS 18.2 or iPadOS 18.2. Step 1. Open the Mail app on your iPhone or iPad. Step 2. Tap the ellipses at the top of this screen. A menu opens where you'll see that Categories is currently selected as your active view. Step 3. Tap to select List View. That menu will close and you'll see your inbox automatically return to display your emails in the standard list view. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.